What's up, guys? My name is Brendan, and today I want to answer the question of where do you begin tricking? By giving you guys 3 easy steps that you can follow to starting your tricking journey. Step 1, figure out which side is your dark side and which side is your light side. Let me explain. First, we're gonna do a little test. If you stand facing forward and jump and spin to your left, and then do the same thing, stand face forward, but this time twist to your right, go the opposite way. One side will probably feel a little bit more natural than the other. Think about your handedness. If you're right-handed, you're more likely to twist to your left. And if you're left-handed, you're more likely to twist to your right. Because of this, you'll have a light side and a dark side. Your light side is the side you naturally twist towards. For me, it's my left. Some people twist to the right. For me, it's my dark side when I'm twisting to my right. Things feel off kilter and not as natural. But when I twist to my left, I'm able to do my best swings and my best tricks. Step 2, find your target. You need to know where you're looking. Tricking is a twisting dominant sport. So you need to know exactly where to put your eyes so that way you A, don't get dizzy, and B, so that way you know exactly where you're kicking. So imagine your target is in front of you, about 2 to 3 feet away, about head height. It will be at the apex of most of your kicks. The apex being the point at which your kick is the most vertical. So if I'm doing my round kick, my target is right about here, and I want my kick to pass through it. With each kick, you want to kick through your target. And with each twist, with each gainer switch, or double fold, you need to know where you're looking so that way you don't get lost. So those are the 2 things I want you to think about first. Which way are you twisting and where are you looking? Step 3, learn new things and add to your collection of tricks. As a tricker, you're gonna learn tricks that are obscure, useless, but it's all part of the progression. There are tricks like Donut Boy that are silly and useless. There are tricks like Kip Up that look really cool at a party, but really isn't that hard. There are tricks that are super hard, like the corkscrew, but look really impressive because you can do a lot. And then there's the box cutter, which looks like a devastating attack that you'd see in a movie. But the first trick I'm gonna teach you guys is roundhouse kick. We're gonna start in a backside position. So the back of our body is gonna be facing the way we twist if we're on our light side. So I twist to my left, so my back will be facing my left, my right leg will be in back, and my left leg will be in front. And my arms will be doing my best Bruce Lee impression, and they'll kind of be up in a fighting stance. The roundhouse kick has 3 steps: chamber, pivot, and extend. We're gonna take our back leg and we're gonna chamber it in front of us, bending our knee about 90 degrees and bringing our leg horizontal to the ground. Next, we're gonna pivot, turning our bottom foot away from our target, opening up our hips, and turning our leg about 90 degrees. When you do your pivot, your knee should stay in about the same place. Next, we're going to extend, shooting our knee out and dragging our leg across our target. We should end our roundhouse kick in front side position. So front of our body will be facing the way we twist. I am twisting to my left and I'm on my light side, so my chest is facing the left. The second trick I want to teach you is called stance switch. It's super easy. It is a jump, half turn. So we're gonna start in a backside position, the same position we started for our roundhouse kick. We're gonna jump, and we're gonna turn 180 degrees to our left. Whoop. Super easy, anybody can do it. If you jump and turn 180 degrees, again, you'll end right where you started, doing 2 stance switches, and you have a full turn. A lot of the times people will do a stance switch to their dark side as a way to extend combos. Finally, the third trick I want to teach you is pop 180 round, which is the combination of the stance switch and the round kick. The pop 180 round is gonna start just like the stance switch did. We're gonna be in a backside position. We're just gonna jump assuming we're gonna turn 180 degrees. And then the second we leave the ground, we're just gonna execute a roundhouse kick, following the 3 steps we talked about earlier: chamber, pivot, and extend. You'll land in a front side stance, just like you would a normal stance switch. This is just putting the 2 moves together. This is an example of a progression, a series of skills that work off of each other to learn a harder technique. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now, you can add tricks to your collection super easily because I've created the tutorial archive. This is a complete free listing of tutorials on my website. There's over 50 on there. I've been making tutorials once a week, every week for over a year. I'm so excited that the tutorial archive is live. So I want to say a huge thank you to all the patrons who have been supporting the Mastering series. It means the world to me that you guys share this vision of everybody learning tricking and everybody getting better together, because this is a cool, healthy thing that gives you confidence, that helps you learn and progress, that you can take the skills that you learn as a tricker and then apply them to your real life to be a better person. This is an awesome sport and a fantastic movement. Thank you guys so much for all of the support. Have a lovely day.
Senza fine, non ieri, no,